so I'm going to show you different variation of a reverse archer. So this one is going to be an archer pull-up. When you first start the move, you don't have to go very low. What we're trying to do is keep control of our core. This is really good to build long arm strength, but also the shoulder strength for reverse, for skin the cats, reverse mid hook, and any crucifix movement that you might want to do on the straps as well. Yeah. So for this one, I start a bit like a row, but then I can pull the arm out. Now, when I pull the arm out, I drop that shoulder blade down, not too far down, but to the point that I'm turning that armpit a little bit more towards the ceiling. Yeah. What you can do is keep going like this. That's level 1. Yeah. Archer means that we open an arm to the side. So row, archer to one side. Now, I'm not loose here. I actively pull that arm behind as well, working into my rear delts. Now, what we can do is start smoothing the movement and then increasing that gravity. Again, pull. We're not loose. Pull. And then we can start doing the changes while we stay up. This is where it gets harder now. Here, we really pull through the arm and we switch. We switch. Then also we can pause, and switch. Open both, switch. Open both, switch. Yeah. Finally as well, you can try and do the full double arches, which are T's, pull-ups, or reverse flies on the rings. Those are like a bit harder, yeah? So you can increase or decrease the level as you go along. Yeah.